Can you kill black locust plants with a hack and spray technique? This is Karen on YouTube. So the old black locusts, right?
Well,
Which has got to be invasive.
There's some nice black locust varieties, but there's a lot of them that are definitely weed trees and need to be gotten rid of. And yeah, he can do that, but yeah, it's going to take a while because it depends on how big the trees are, too.
Yeah, so that's what I was going to mention. Yeah, it depends on the size of the tree. I mean, if you can get them when they're
really small, inch to 2 inches would be best, but or even smaller.
Or smaller, right? I mean, those can be dug up pretty easily.
Yeah, that could be dug up.
Yeah, if they're bigger than that, then yeah, you're going to have to do the old hack or cut, and then you're going to have to paint, you know, that surface area, the stump, of course, with you know, a product that contains something like glyphosate or triclopyr.
Yeah.
Is what you're gonna have to do.
Yes.
And then just hope that works for you. But
and it may stand up because, you know, the root system may say, oh, well, this one has decided to not live because of what you've done to it. So, but the other roots will say, oh, hey, we can come up here. So it's gonna be, it's gonna take some time.
Yeah, you gotta be persistent with that. But yeah, the smaller, the better.
The smaller, the better.
Because that way you can just try to dig them out, pull them up. But yeah, that root system is going to be key because it'll resprout. Yeah. Right. But yeah, the hack and spray technique will work.
Will work. It's just going to take some time.
It's just going to take some time.
And it's going to regenerate, and you'll say, it's been a month, and I thought I had it all, and then something else will come up. But you just get it right away.
Right. And then, you know, with those two products, you know, if there is a big, you know, black locust, you could do foliar applications. I mean, that's still going to take some time.
Still going to take time.
Yeah, right. With the triclopyr, the glyphosate, or anything it contains glyphosate, foliar application, but it's still going to take a little bit more time, you know, for it to translocate down into the root system.
Right.
You know, so either way you go.
Either way, it's going to take some time.
It's going to take a little bit. Yeah, be persistent, Karen. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.